Zoom H6 handy recorder, black finish, 2020 model. It includes two softwares, Cubase Elite and WaveLab Cast. So manual in English, manual in French, and manual in Spanish. WaveLab and Cubase Elite download codes. You have the warranty registration. That's about for the manuals. You have 4 batteries, Fujitsu AA's. This is your XY mic, stereo mic. Plugs over there. And this is your Zoom H6 handy recorder. So 4 inputs, SD card, headphone output, volume, power, line out, remote, USB port for your computer, menu, and the menu buttons to scroll down. In the back you have the battery compartment, and you have a 1/4 inch screw which you can screw on a tripod. And this is your input. So I just put in the batteries, plug in the front mics, the left and right, which is these channels over here. And now we're gonna power up the H6. So just hold down. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. You can see the bottom. Oh, there's a gain. So now I put it very high, put around 10, so it should be maybe 10, yeah. Hello, hello, hey, what's up, See. Test 1, 2, 3, test 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you know that you can switch? There we go. Now we have 120 degrees that way and that way, instead of just 90 degrees that used to be.